Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find channel settings on your account on Discord, easy and quick. First click here, now click settings, and here as you see you will find channels, click on it, and that's it. You will find channel settings on your account on Discord, easy and quick. And that's how to find channel settings on your account on Discord, easy and quick, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. It's helpful for you. And thanks for watching. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.